My name is Joey Henniger. I'm from Jasper, Tennessee. I'm 2 years out from surgery and I've lost 200 pounds now. And it's been a great journey, a great life-changing experience. I've been overweight and struggled with weight issues my whole life. So a friend of mine actually works for the bariatric office over there, and she suggested either surgeon, but I just landed with Dr. Kronk, and he was amazing. I can't recommend enough the staff, the education that was given. Nothing was forced, but I was given all the proper tools to understand the issues that I was having and the ways that it could be fixed. And that's what led me on this journey to fixing some problems in my life. I actually work in a factory setting, so pretty labor intensive at times. It had gotten to the point that I was 380 pounds. It's very hot work, and I struggled doing a lot of the lifting, a lot of the moving around. Now I don't have those limitations on me as much. I have 2 young children. It was a struggle to get out and play, and to be honest, quite embarrassing at times because, I'd struggle to just run around with them and all those things. And now it's kind of like having freedom again. The whole staff that I've dealt with has been amazing. Rachel, Audrey, Samantha, Dr. Kronk, all amazing. All have given me everything I needed to succeed. Do your research. Don't force yourself into something, but understand that being overweight and struggling with the complications from that doesn't have to be a lifelong thing. We have tools that can help us get past that, and everyone at Erlanger Bariatrics has been amazing to me in the sense of showing me how to get past these struggles. Surgery wasn't a quick fix, but when I was met with another hurdle, there was somebody along the way to help me get past that. I would just encourage anybody just do your research and understand that you don't have to be tied down by these issues. It's an epidemic in this nation, but we have ways around it now, and you can have freedom again.